Hey everyone, it's Manglesay. If you're serious about building long-term wealth through the stock market, 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year. We've just come out of a period of economic uncertainty. Inflation was a beast, interest rates were all over the place, but things are finally starting to stabilize. The Fed seems to have a handle on inflation, interest rates are potentially plateauing, and the tech sector is innovating at lightning speed. In this video, we're diving deep into 7 US stocks that I believe are primed to absolutely crush it in 2025 and beyond. So buckle up, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get into it. First up, we've got the company that probably needs no introduction, Apple. This tech giant has been a household name for decades, and its influence only seems to grow stronger with each passing year. Apple's stock has had a pretty incredible run over the past decade, but even with that growth, I still think there's plenty of gas left in the tank. The company has consistently shown its ability to innovate and adapt to changing market conditions. Why? Because Apple is a master at creating ecosystems. They don't just sell you a product, they sell you an experience that integrates seamlessly into your daily life. Once you're plugged into their ecosystem with your iPhone, AirPods, Apple Watch, and MacBook, it's tough to leave. The convenience and connectivity between these devices make it almost impossible to switch to another brand. And Apple knows this, which is why they keep adding more services like Apple Music, Apple Pay, and Apple TV+. These services not only enhance the user experience but also create a recurring revenue stream for the company. We've got the Apple Car rumors, their AR/VR headset, and who knows what other tricks they've got up their sleeves. The potential for new product lines keeps investors and consumers alike eagerly anticipating what's next. Overall, Apple remains a solid long-term investment with a track record of innovation and a loyal customer base. Their ability to continually reinvent themselves while maintaining a strong brand identity is truly remarkable. Next up, we've got another tech behemoth that's been absolutely crushing it, Microsoft. While Windows and Office are still huge parts of their business, Microsoft has quietly become a cloud computing powerhouse. Their Azure platform is giving Amazon Web Services, AWS, a serious run for its money. They're also making big moves in gaming with their Xbox platform and their acquisition of Activision Blizzard. The biggest risk I see with Microsoft is increased competition in the cloud space. But with their diverse portfolio, strong leadership, and a history of adapting to changing markets, Microsoft will continue to be a winning investment. Now let's talk about NVIDIA, a company at the forefront of some of the most exciting technological advancements. You probably know them for their graphics cards, which are a favorite among gamers and professionals. But NVIDIA's chips are also powering the artificial intelligence revolution. We're talking about everything from self-driving cars to medical diagnoses. And as AI continues to advance, NVIDIA's chips are going to be in higher demand. They're also betting big on the metaverse with their Omniverse platform. The semiconductor industry is notoriously cyclical, meaning their profits can fluctuate. But with their dominance in graphics cards, early lead in AI, and strategic investments in the metaverse, NVIDIA has the potential to deliver mind-blowing returns. Alright, let's talk about Amazon, a company that needs no introduction. They've completely revolutionized the way we shop, and their dominance in e-commerce is undeniable. But here's the thing, Amazon is so much more than just an online store. They're also a cloud computing giant with AWS, a grocery store chain with Whole Foods, a streaming service with Amazon Prime Video, and they even own a movie studio with MGM. One risk to consider with Amazon is increased regulatory scrutiny. Governments around the world are starting to take notice of their power and influence, but even with those risks, Amazon's track record of innovation and their sheer size make them a compelling investment. Now, let's talk about Tesla, a company that's been both praised and criticized, but one thing's for sure, they've single-handedly accelerated the transition to electric vehicles. Tesla's cars are sleek, fast, and packed with cutting-edge technology. Tesla's ambitions go far beyond just cars. They're also a major player in the solar energy market, developing advanced energy storage solutions, and working on self-driving technology. Of course, Tesla is not without its risks. Their production has been plagued by delays, and competition in the EV space is heating up. But despite these challenges, Tesla remains at the forefront of the clean energy revolution. Next up, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google, a name that's practically synonymous with the internet. Founded in 1998 by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, Google has grown from a simple search engine into a tech behemoth that touches nearly every aspect of our digital lives. Google Search is how most of us find information online, and their advertising business generates billions of dollars in revenue every quarter. This advertising model has been incredibly successful, allowing Google to fund a variety of other projects and acquisitions. But just like Amazon, Alphabet is so much more than just one thing. The company has diversified into numerous sectors, making it a multifaceted giant in the tech world. They own YouTube, the largest video platform in the world, a platform that has revolutionized how we consume video content and has become a vital part of the internet ecosystem. They have Android, the most popular mobile operating system globally. It powers billions of devices and has a massive user base that spans across the globe. And they're investing heavily in AI, cloud computing, and self-driving cars with Waymo. These investments are not just about staying relevant, but also about shaping the future of technology. One risk to consider with Alphabet is the increasing scrutiny they're facing from regulators over antitrust concerns. These legal challenges could impact their operations and growth. But even with those risks, Alphabet's diversified portfolio and innovative culture make them a formidable force in the tech industry. Their ability to adapt and innovate ensures they remain at the forefront of technological advancements. Finally, we have Palantir, a company that's a bit more under the radar but has massive potential. Palantir specializes in big data analytics, and their software is used by governments and corporations around the world. Their platforms are used to track everything from terrorist networks to financial fraud to supply chain logistics. As the volume of data continues to explode, the demand for Palantir's services is only going to increase. Their reliance on government contracts makes them vulnerable to political changes and budget cuts. However, for those who are comfortable with the risks, Palantir represents a potentially high-reward investment. So there you have it, my top 7 US stock picks for 2025. These companies have shown remarkable resilience and innovation, making them strong contenders for your investment portfolio. We've got tech giants like Apple and Microsoft, which continue to dominate the tech landscape with their cutting-edge products and services. Innovators like Nvidia and Tesla are pushing the boundaries of technology and sustainability, while e-commerce behemoths like Amazon are revolutionizing the way we shop and live. And let's not forget data analytics powerhouses like Palantir, which are transforming how businesses make data-driven decisions. Remember, this is not financial advice, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Investing always carries risks, so it's crucial to stay informed. Always do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation. Now I want to hear from you. Your insights and opinions are valuable to this community. Which of these stocks are you most bullish on for 2025? Are there any other companies you think should be on this list? Drop a comment below and let me know your pick. Your feedback helps us all make better investment decisions. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more investing insights, and share it with your friends who might find it useful. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We have a lot of exciting content planned for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned and happy investing!